Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if the current mail client cannot fulfill the messaging request. Please run Microsoft Outlook and set it as the default mail client. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the start menu, type in default apps. Best result should come back with default apps listed right above system settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Set your email, click inside of whatever is listed under email, and then you want to set it to Outlook. So you might have to scroll down, set it to Outlook, and then once you're done with that, go ahead and actually close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So restart your computer and hopefully that should resolve the problem. One further thing you can attempt if you're still having an issue would be to open up the start menu, type in control panel. Best result should come back with control panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then select Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Office from this list, and then select the Change button. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. It's going to ask how would you like to repair your Office programs. Select Quick Repair. Fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection. Go ahead and select the Repair button. Select Repair again. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. Alright, there you go, guys. Simple as that. Hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.